If you own an index fund, you have a massive AI exposure right now, even if you've never bought a tech stock in your life. Big tech is collectively spending $700 billion on AI in 2026. Most of that bet rides on the same handful of stocks that now make up over a third of the S&P 500. Here's exactly what that means for your portfolio, the bull case, the bear case, and what to actually do. Here are the numbers that just blew up Wall Street. The four biggest hyperscalers, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Meta, are collectively spending around $700 billion on AI infrastructure in 2026. That's up 77% from 2025. Roughly 75% of that money, about $450 billion, is AI-specific. To put that in perspective, this is the largest single-year corporate capex bet in modern history. By a lot. Here's the company-by-company breakdown. Amazon plans to spend around $200 billion, mostly on cloud expansion and AI servers. Microsoft is at $190 billion, going toward Azure data centers and the OpenAI partnership. Google is spending $185 billion on its cloud platform and Gemini AI. And Meta is committing between $125 and $145 billion to AI data centers and research. Note that Meta's stock dropped 8% the day they announced their number. Investors got nervous about whether this is sustainable. And here's why this matters for index fund investors. The 7 biggest tech companies, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, and Tesla, collectively make up about 33.7% of the S&P 500 today. A decade ago, the same group was 12.5% of the index. The concentration has nearly tripled, so when these 7 companies bet $700 billion on AI, they aren't just betting their own balance sheets. They're betting your retirement account. Here's the visualization. In 2015, the Magnificent Seven were a relatively small slice of the S&P 500, about 12.5%. By 2020, they had grown to over 20%. By 2024, around 30%. Today they sit at 33.7%, meaning 7 companies out of 503 account for nearly a third of the index. Concentration risk experts are calling this critical. Index fund investors who think they're diversified are not as diversified as they used to be. Now the bull case. Why this might actually work. 1. Most of the spending is funded by the free cash flow of these companies, not debt. They are not gambling money they don't have. 2. Cloud revenue is exploding. Amazon Web Services grew 28% year over year. Google Cloud grew 63%. The infrastructure is being used. 3. Nvidia, which sells the chips powering all this, is forecasting around $78 billion in quarterly revenue, growing 78% year over year. The demand is real. 4. Analysts call this year 3 of a 10-year build-out. If that's accurate, we have a long runway ahead, and concentration could keep paying off. But here's the bear case, why this might end badly. 1. There's a circular economy problem. Microsoft invests billions in OpenAI, which then spends most of that money buying Microsoft Azure Compute. Microsoft books the revenue. The bull case treats this as real demand. Skeptics call it round-tripping. 2. Actual enterprise adoption is shallow. Fewer than 40% of US companies have scaled AI beyond pilot projects. The capex assumes a wave of corporate spending that hasn't fully arrived. 3. The spending is so big that Amazon's free cash flow is projected to turn negative in 2026. The no-debt bull case is breaking down. 4. Morgan Stanley estimates hyperscaler debt issuance will exceed $400 billion to fund this build-out. We don't know yet which view is right. All eyes turn to Nvidia on May 20th. Nvidia is the chipmaker selling the GPUs that power every AI data center on Earth. Their earnings tell the entire market whether the AI capex is being deployed or stockpiled. Wall Street expects them to report $78.5 billion in revenue. That's 78% year-over-year growth. If they hit it, the bull case strengthens. If they miss it, expect serious volatility across all Magnificent Seven stocks and the broader S&P 500. May 20th is the most important data point this month for anyone holding a US index fund. What does this all mean for you? Four things. 1. If you own a basic S&P 500 index fund, you have massive AI exposure, whether you signed up for it or not. About a third of every dollar you invest in the index goes to 7 companies. 2. That means roughly a third of your future index returns rides on AI capex actually paying off. Not a small thing. 3. Don't sell. We've covered this. Selling on uncertainty is how index fund investors underperform. But also don't double down by buying individual AI stocks on top of your index exposure. You're already concentrated. 4. If you want true diversification, consider adding international stock funds or small cap funds. They are not in this AI trade and could balance the concentration risk. Big tech is making a $700 billion bet that AI changes the world. About a third of your index fund is already part of that bet. The bull case is real. The bear case is real. The right move is awareness, not panic. Stay invested, stay calm, and stay diversified, including outside the US tech that has dominated the last decade.